Hi everyone, this is a brief tutorial on how to use a PDF editor that can operate as an annotation tool. PDFBob is free. Go to pdfbob.com to access it, and it is a tool that's great for both students as well as teachers and other staff. So we're going to start by editing a PDF. Notice I did not have to log in, and you won't ever see me log in. Because I've gone here before, you can see some history that it'll pull up, but let's go ahead and act like we're pulling up a file for the first time. So I'm going to pull up this on clicker training for cats. So first of all, notice these tools right here. This text tool actually allows me, if I put my cursor here, we can type. And so now that's there. If I want to highlight, right, I can do it in these different colors. Let's say I want to do it in green. So fastest way to train an animal, and now it's in green. This pen right here, I can type in different colors. The stroke right there is how thick it is. So if I increase it, now it's thicker. I can also undo by typing that. It's gone. This rectangle is actually great because let's say I don't want to include anything on the lower half of a page. So instead, what I might do is I can come over here and I can get rid of that. Now it's still showing like here. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to opacity and I'm going to go 100 and I'm going to do white. So now it's just going to show it as a white box. You can also do circles. This right here is a line. So for whatever reason, for example, if you wanted to have graph paper, this is a great way to have graph paper. It'll go ahead. Oops, I did an arrow in that case. You'll see you can do arrows. So there you go. You can also do lines and make your own graph paper. Notice that's not quite straight, but it's an easy fix. I just moved that little dot down. And then that's, like I said, an arrow. This is if you wanted to have text in a quote. Let's say I wanted a little quote to say, hi. And then that signals that they can click on that, and it has only when they hover over it, does it show what's in the little quotation. Kind of like a hideable sticky note. This right here is if you want to underline it. So for example, I just selected a whole bunch and that underlined it. And if I wanted to do strike through, I would highlight that and now it's stricken. So those are the features on here. And then when you want to save it, you go to export. And it's going to save as a PDF and you can just hit export. And it'll save as the same thing that you had before right here. So you might want to end up renaming it in your folder. Hope this helps.